Waiting to see if we can get everyone back in. Commissioner McDonough, are you ready to resume our meeting?
I'm here.
I'm sorry, Commissioner Ortega, are you ready to resume our meeting? Or to go
I'm
into
good.
our meeting? Go into our regional rail meeting. Okay, so we are starting our regional rail meeting.
Are we going? Good?
Do it again just to make sure I waved.
Okay. Okay.
We're ready for you.
I'd like to call to order the Ramsey County Regional Rail Authority meeting. Roll call, please.
Carter,
Here.
Fretham,
Here.
Matas Castillo,
Here.
McDonough,
Here.
McGuire,
Here.
Reinhardt,
Here.
Ortega,
Aye. I'll entertain a motion on the agenda.
So moved. Second.
Hearing no discussion, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
You're on mute.
I.
thank you. Fretham,
Aye.
Matas Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. I'll entertain a motion on the minutes of June 2nd, 2020.
So moved.
Second.
Hearing no discussion, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Matas Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Excuse me. Moving on to the administrative agenda, item number 4, master funding agreement for the Gold Line Bus Rapid Transit Project. I'll entertain a motion.
So moved. Second.
Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Matas Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 5, review corridor modern streetcar engineering and pre-environmental phase policy advisory committee. One caveat to this is that Hennepin County hasn't formally appointed a member, but we're going to go forward with the list and make changes. There might be other changes on the list down the road.
Move approval.
Second.
Hearing no discussion, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Matas Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 6, agreement with Perkins and Wills for station area planning services for the Riverview Corridor, Modern Streetcar Project.
Move approval.
Second.
Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Modis Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 7, agreement with Mead and Hunt for cultural resource services for the engineering and pre-environmental phase of the Riverview Corridor.
Move approval.
Second?
Thank you. Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call, please.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Modis Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 8, agreement with Kimley Horn and Associates for engineering and pre-environmental services for the Riverview Corridor.
Move approval.
Second.
Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Modis Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 9, agreement with 4RM for communications and community engagement services for the Riverview Corridor.
So
Move
moved.
approval. Second.
Any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Modis Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Item number 10 is a policy item. It's the 2021 budget to certify the maximum tax levy for the Ramsey County Regional Railroad Authority.
Move approval.
Second.
Is there any discussion? Hearing none, roll call.
Reinhardt,
Aye.
Carter,
Aye.
Fretham,
Aye.
Modis Castillo,
Aye.
McDonough,
Aye.
McGuire,
Aye.
Ortega,
Aye. Number 11 is corridor updates. Victoria, Rush Line, Jim, Gold Line.
Things are moving along according to schedule.
Yeah, everything's going great on Rush Line. Looks good.
Thank you.
Jim?
Yep,
Gold
Gold
line?
Line's moving along. Yep, Gold Line's moving along nicely. Staff has been great solving problems as we move forward, and we're on track.
Yep, and we're looking at, 2024 to open operations. All right, thank you. We are now adjourned, and I believe that 3 of us have a meeting with the courts. Am I right on that? Okay, thank you very much. We're adjourned. Take care.
Good meeting. Thank you. Bye.